Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government expedites renewal process of mineral leases as MMDR ordinance is expected any moment. Government expects 1,500 crore revenue from the entire renewal process. Goa State Information Commission delivers landmark judgment, says Office of Archbishop Patriarch of East Indies comes under Right to Information Act. ST Commission takes cognizance of harassment complaint by Pune Shirvoikar against his boss Anand Sherkane, asks probe report within 15 days. Health sector in Goa victim of bureaucracy. Former Health Minister Vishwajit Rane slams bureaucrats for mess of services in state-run hospitals. And Dampo Sports Club to clash with Bangalore FC in Hero Federation Cup final. Silgaonkar and Sporting Club de Goa bow out in semi-finals. And now the news in detail. Possibility of promulgation of Union Government's MMDR ordinance promoting auctioning of leases has seen Goan mine owners rush for renewal of their leases. Sources claim ordinance is expected at any moment. Till now, President Pranab Mukherjee hasn't signed the ordinance. Goa government plans to raise around 1,500 crores through the entire lease renewal process.
Union government's inclination towards auctioning of leases has raised the concerns for Goan miners. Government plans to come out with an ordinance which is expected at any moment. Goa government has begun its spree of renewing mining leases amidst all this hullabaloo. State government treasury right now is not in a healthy condition. Government plans to bring in maximum revenue through mining leases renewals. Government expects 800 crores through leases renewals. Government plans to renew 54 leases. None of the lessees have paid registration fee. Registration is as equivalent to stamp duty. 800 crores expected through registration fee. The leases which are renewed now are valid for next 13 years. Basically, renewal period is 20 years, but in this case, renewal has been considered from 2007. Hence, there are 13 years left for leases to operate. Surprisingly, the matter which was pending for the last 2.5 years have seen a rapid development within 2.5 months under the new Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. Industry expert says government may be expediting the leases renewal procedure following possibility of the ordinance. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa State Information Commission has held that the Office of Archbishop Patriarch of the East Indies comes under the Right to Information Act. The petitioner had approached the GSIC after the Office of Archbishop Patriarch of the East Indies had refused to provide information under RTI regarding cases of annulment of marriages. GSIC in its judgment has observed that Archbishop has the authority to work as patriarchal tribunal, hence his office is covered under RTI.
Goa State Information Commission in its landmark judgment has held that the Office of Archbishop Patriarch of East Indies comes under Right to Information Act at least for certain types of queries. The petitioner, namely Antonia Michelle Abel, had filed an RTI application in February 2011 to the PIO in the Office of Patriarchal Tribunal of the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman. The petitioner had sought to inspect the register of cases of annulment of marriages maintained in the Office of Archbishop, but Patriarchal Tribunal did not respond to her application. Later, the petitioner approached the GSIC asking questions that the Office of Archbishop Patriarch is a public office or not. The GSIC in its judgment has observed that in Goa, marriages are solemnized by the Archbishop and the sentence of annulment is also passed by the Archbishop, acting in his capacity as Patriarchal Tribunal. Hence, a citizen of Goa is entitled to inspect the register of cases of annulment of marriages maintained in the Office of Archbishop under RTI. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Planning Director Anand Sherkhane is charged of harassing his office peon, and the matter has now been referred to the Chief Secretary and the SP for a probe. Chairman of ST Commission has asked for a report from the SP within a fortnight. Peon Pandurang Shirvoikar has alleged that his boss Sherkhane made him work at his flat like a domestic help. When he refused, he was transferred to Margao. Police are likely to probe the case under Prevention of Atrocities to ST Community Act. Talegaon BJP has strongly backed the victim peon.
ST Commission has taken strong cognizance of peon Pandurang Shirvaikar's complaint against Planning Statistics Director Anand Sherkhane. Commission has sought a probe report from the police by 23rd Jan.
How the complaint Chief Secretary to examine and to take appropriate action. Plus, police धाडल्या Superintendent Police Purvari. ताणे जे charges, various charges level गेले ते. Because they are the investigating authority. They will investigate the matter. And I have asked them, तांकां सांगले तुम्ही investigate करा under Prevention of Atrocity Act खाली and IPC 15 days time दिल्लो आसा तांकां. कित्याक तांकां time जाय ते इन्वेस्टिगेट करतले आणि कंप्लायन्स रिपोर्ट स्टेटस रिपोर्ट म्हाका धाडून दितले.
Victim peon claims Planning Director Anand Sherkhane made him slog at his flat. He made him work like a domestic help. At a time, he passed racist comments calling him Govt. Peon Pandurang Shirvaikar has complained against Anand Sherkhane. When Pandurang resisted to Sherkhane's orders, he was transferred to Madgaon. Talegaon BJP is strongly backing the peon Pandurang Shirvaikar.
शेजाऱ्यां कडल्यान अशें सुद्दां कळून आयलां की हो भुरगो जो आसा सामको डिस्टर्ब्ड आशिल्लो. आय वूड टेक अप दीस मॅटर स्ट्रॉंगली विथ माय ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर. आय वूड ऑल्सो टेक अप दीस मॅटर विथ माय ऑनरेबल डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर श्री मनोहर भाई. आमकां आंदोलन सुद्दां करपाची जर पाळी आयली जाल्यार आमी करतले. बट वी वॉन्ट स्ट्रॉंग एक्शन ऑन ऑल सच एट्रॉसिटीज कमिटेड बाय एनी गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर.
पूण शेजाऱ्यांची सगळीं शेजाऱ्यां सांगता तें आयकून हांव खूब दुखी जालें. कित्याक ती म्हणटा तो जीव दिवंक सोदतालो खंय, कित्याक ताका कामाचे खूब त्रास करता म्हणून. आनी तो कोणूय जावं आमी ताका सोडची ना. आमी ताचें तोंड काडें करूं सोदतलीं. सगळीं आमी एकठांय जावन त्या आनंद शेरखानेक कशींच सोडपाची ना.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Omkar Frari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.